Hello, today's topic is speed or velocity of your CNC path. If you open any G code, you will find this F and certain number which defines the speed. If you want to run certain G code but you want to change the speed or tweak the speed while running, there is one parameter on SMC interpolator which can help you do this. For this example, we are already logged in. We already enabled both drives, we set the position to 0, and we will use our ellipse from a previous video. Then we will execute SMC interpolator, and then you will see how to use this parameter. So first, let's enable complete pre-processing. We will keep default values everywhere, except for the smooth spline flag 5, that we have a smooth path. Velocities, and then we will execute interpolator. Now before we do that, let's just zoom in to 100%. If we now execute interpolator, we see that our axes are starting to move. If we go to the path, we see that we have a movement, and then we will start to draw our ellipse. Let's go back to CNC, and you have this D override. This input changes a speed setting of your CNC path. 1 is equal to actual speed set by a G code. If you put 0.3, for example, it's going to be 30% of the speed. And immediately see we have slowed down. If we check on the path, we see that the path is really moving slowly. Same goes for higher speed. We can set 2, and then we start to move with the double speed of your CNC path. As you can see on our path, now we are moving much faster. The minimum value that you can put is 0.01, so you cannot move with 0 velocity. This is one point that you know, that you will always move on the path. You cannot stop it with this parameter. So that's it for this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.